Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to day 3 in learning Abacus with Fatima. Today we are going to learn simple addition using Abacus. There will also be a small task by the end of this video, so stay tuned till the end. I hope you have watched my previous videos of day 1 and day 2 of learning Abacus. If you haven't seen those, check the link in my bio. Before we start, I hope you have subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out any updates related to Abacus. So let's begin with simple addition. The first step here is 2. Now let's start from the units house. The first question is 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 1. The answer is 4. Great. Now the second one is 2 plus 2. We are adding it. So the numbers, the beads are going in the upwards direction, and make sure you use the correct finger movement. We are using the thumb for the earth beads. So 2 plus 2, the answer is 4. Now 5 plus 1, you get the answer 6. Okay, 5 and 3, what is the answer? 8. Correct. Okay, 4 and 5, the total is 9. Very nice. Okay, now let's look at the tens rod. Let's add these numbers. This is a tens rod. 10 add 20, the total is 30. Very nice. 50 add 10, the answer is 60. Correct. 30 add 10, the answer is 40. Correct. 50 add 30, the answer is 80. Absolutely amazing. Now let's look at the hundreds rod. 100 plus 200, the answer is 300. Amazing. Now 300 plus 500, what is your answer? Okay, 800. Correct. 200 plus 200, what is your answer? 400. Absolutely correct. Okay, let's do it a bit faster. I'll be showing you a few questions. You just need to answer them. And make sure you look at the rods carefully. Okay, let's begin. The first one. It's 3 plus 1. The answer is 4. Correct. Next. This is the tens rod. So 20 plus 50. The answer is 70. Correct. The next one. Plus 2. It's 6 plus 2. The answer is 8. Correct. Look at this rod. Which rod is this? Hundreds rod. So it is 500 plus 100. The answer is 600. Correct. $50 plus 30, your answer is 80. Amazing. The last one. 100 plus 300, your answer is 400. I hope you're confident enough to do simple addition with the help of Abacus, and this is the task for today. Write down your answers in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If there's anything you want me to explain again, please let me know and write in the comments. In the next video, we will learn more about simple addition. Till then, stay in touch. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for more updates. Bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.